Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 4, the 8th lesson, Protecting the Workbook Structure. So this is what we should have opened up. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click the Insert Arrow button, and then click Insert Sheet. That adds a new worksheet. You can see down here we're now on Sheet 2. In the Home tab in the Cells group, click the Delete Arrow button, and then click Delete Sheet to delete this new worksheet. Boy, that was fun. Wasn't that fun? On the Review tab in the Protect group, so click the Review tab. In the Protect group, click Protect Workbook. Note, even though the button in the ribbon is named Protect Workbook, it will lock down only the structure of the workbook. Other users will still be permitted to freely open the workbook and make changes to any cell in any worksheet. If necessary, select the Structure checkbox to turn it on. Mine's already selected. Make sure yours is checked. Type 123 in the password, and then click OK. Type 123 in the re-enter, and then click OK. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click the arrow button. So click Home tab, click the Insert Arrow button. Note that the Insert Sheet option is grayed out. So before, when we inserted a sheet, we can no longer do that. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click the Delete Arrow button. Note that the Delete Sheet option is also grayed out. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format Arrow button. The Organize Sheets menu options are also grayed out. So these down here, you can see these are grayed out. Right-click on the Sheet 1 Worksheet tab. So down here, right-click on that. After reviewing the different menu options that are grayed out, you see all these different things that are grayed out. Click on any blank area of the worksheet to close the right-click arrow or right-click menu. Mark that as answered. Submit results. And this completes protecting the workbook structure.